Hey everyone, if you ever dealt with tired, heavy legs, swelling, and poor circulation, you might have seen the name RejuvaFlow. But maybe you're wondering if it's real or just another product that overpromises. Well, I've used RejuvaFlow leg massager for the past weeks, and I'm here to break down exactly how it works, what my experience has been, and whether it is legit or it's a scam. So let's get into it. Here's my situation. After long hours on my feet and even sitting all day, my legs started to feel heavy and swollen. I would wake up feeling pressure in my calves and ankles. I didn't want to jump straight into pills or surgery, so I started looking into non-invasive circulation devices. That's when I came across RejuvaFlow by RejuvaCare. It claimed to combine 3 therapies in one: compression, heat, and massage. So I thought, okay, let's test it out. Here is what I learned. RejuvaFlow uses 3-in-1 method. 1. Rhythmic air compression. This gently squeezes your calf to push blood flow upward. 2. Therapeutic heat helps your muscles, improves your circulation. 3. A soothing massage. It helps ease tightness and drain buildup fluid. All you do is wrap it around your calves, power it on, and let it work just 15 minutes a day. According to the brand, it's designed to help leg swelling, fluid retention, and poor circulation. They even came back with a 90-day money-back guarantee. So what happened when I tried it? After a few sessions, my legs felt noticeably lighter at the end of the day. By week 2, I could actually feel less swelling around my ankles. That heavy dragging feeling, it's gone. Now I use it as part of my evening routine, just a 15-minute wind down while I relax watching TV. It generally helped me to feel better without medication. Okay, now the question everyone is asking is, RejuvaFlow is a scam? I've seen those RejuvaFlow scam videos too. And honestly, most of them are clickbait. Here's the truth. This is not a miracle cure, but it's not a scam. It's a legit medical grade device that works when you use it consistently. Thousands of Americans already use it, and the brand offers a 90-day return policy. So yes, it's legit. Just make sure you order it from the official site. Here's the bottom line. If you deal with tired, swollen legs and poor circulation, RejuvaFlow is absolutely worth taking a look. It's easy to use, feels amazing, and helps with lighter and comfortable days every day. I've linked the official RejuvaCare's website on the description and pinned the comment. That's where I got mine, and that's the safest place to get it too. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you try RejuvaFlow or have any questions. Don't forget to like my comments and subscribe for more reviews like this. Stay active, stay comfortable, and I'll see you in the next one.